ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a cutting-edge language generation model developed by OpenAI. It is capable of generating human-like text, making it a valuable tool for businesses and individuals looking to monetize its capabilities. In this essay, we will explore 5 ways in which ChatGPT can be used to maximize revenue, and how it can help businesses to improve their operations and grow their revenues. Content creation. One of the most obvious ways to monetize ChatGPT is by using it to generate content for websites, blogs, and social media platforms. This can include articles, product descriptions, and even entire ebooks. By using ChatGPT, businesses can save time and money on content creation, while also producing high-quality, engaging content that appeals to their target audience. For example, if a business is in the fashion industry, ChatGPT can be used to generate product descriptions for clothing items, which can be posted on their website or social media platforms. Furthermore, ChatGPT can also be used to generate blog posts or articles on fashion trends and styling tips, which can attract more readers to the website and increase the visibility of the business. Chatbots and virtual assistants. ChatGPT can also be used to create intelligent chatbots and virtual assistants that can interact with customers and perform tasks such as answering questions, providing customer support, and even making sales. This can save businesses money on customer service staff, while also providing a more convenient and personalized experience for customers. For instance, ChatGPT can be used to train a chatbot to answer customer questions about a product or service, which can reduce the workload on customer service representatives and improve customer satisfaction. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to train a virtual assistant to make appointments, schedule meetings, and perform other administrative tasks, which can save businesses time and money on administrative staff. Language translation. ChatGPT can also be used to translate text between languages, which can be useful for businesses looking to expand into new markets. By using ChatGPT, businesses can quickly and easily translate large amounts of text, such as product descriptions or website content, into the languages of their target audience. This can increase the reach of the business and attract more customers. For example, if a business is based in the United States and wants to expand into the Spanish-speaking market, ChatGPT can be used to translate their website and product descriptions into Spanish, which can help to attract more customers from Spain and Latin America. Research and analysis. ChatGPT can also be used to perform research and analysis, such as analyzing large amounts of text data to uncover patterns and insights. This can be useful for businesses in industries such as finance, marketing, and healthcare, who can use this information to make data-driven decisions and improve their operations. For example, ChatGPT can be used to analyze customer reviews and feedback to identify common complaints and issues, which can help a business to improve its products or services. Additionally, ChatGPT can also be used to analyze news articles and social media posts to identify trends and sentiment, which can help businesses to stay ahead of the curve in their industry. Creative writing. Lastly, ChatGPT can be used for creative writing, such as writing novels, scripts, and poetry. This can be a great way for businesses and individuals to monetize their writing skills, while also providing an innovative and unique way to use AI language generation. For example, ChatGPT can be used to generate scripts for a movie or TV show, which can save time and money on script writing and increase the chances of success. Additionally, ChatGPT can be used to generate poetry and novels, which can be published and sold as ebooks or physical books. This can provide a new revenue stream for businesses and individuals who are interested in creative writing. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that can be used to generate revenue in a variety of ways. From content creation and customer service to research and analysis, ChatGPT can save businesses time and money, while also providing valuable insights and high-quality content. Additionally, it can also be used for creative writing, which can provide an innovative way for businesses and individuals to monetize their skills. With its wide range of capabilities, ChatGPT is a valuable tool for businesses and individuals looking to monetize its capabilities. It is a tool that can help businesses to improve their operations, increase their reach, and grow their revenues. As AI technology continues to advance, the possibilities of ChatGPT will continue to grow, and we can expect to see more and more businesses leveraging its capabilities to improve their bottom line.